6 on 105.5. Win
All right.
Chance Rapids water park tickets.
This is the suspension.
Because 105.5 is gonna make it all cool.
It's being taken apart, sanded down where it needed to be sanded, and then it got polished. The bottom part of the forks are coated with a clear coat and brand new seals, brand new boots. And these are the shock absorbers, taken apart, cleaned, sanded if they needed to be sanded, and polished. This is how it looks disassembled, and I'm going to assemble them, and I'm going to continue with the restoration. Alright, this is all for now.
Dueling pianos are sure to be the key to an awesome bachelorette or birthday party. So stop by BB King's and rock out with the dueling piano.